My lord, 505 of the IPC is, my lord, making statement and publishing
Please
them.
read it.
My lord, I'll read the 505 of the.
Enmity, hatred, or
My
ill
lords.
will.
My lords, I'll read, my lord.
And 188.
188, my lords, is violation of an order promulgated by a gazette of.
FIR पढ़ी.
My lords, the FIR, my lords, I'll read the relevant part. My lords, there are total 3 accused, my lords. I'll read, my lord, the allegation which is against, my lord, the present applicant.
Yes.
My lord, it is, I'm reading, my lords, 9th line from the bottom.
Yes.
एक अन्य वक्ता काजल हिंदुस्तानी द्वारा कहा गया कि जिनके अब्बा 1947 में पाकिस्तान ले चुके हैं, उनके बाप का हिंदुस्तानी है. My lords, no religious, my lords, community has been named here. And my lords, I'll give, my lords,
आगे पढ़िए ना.
My lords, इस वाक्य से समस्त मुस्लिम देश प्रेमी जिन्होंने देश को चुना है, उनके स्वाभिमान को ठेस पहुंचाए एवं बहुसंख्यक समाज के दिलों में मुस्लिमों को सीधा पाकिस्तानी एवं देशद्रोही बताने की साजिश रची है. उक्त सभा में आयोजक श्री अशोक पालीवाल हमेशा की तरह अपनी
जो एलिगेशन है वो दोबारा पढ़ी.
एक अन्य वक्ता काजल हिंदुस्तानी द्वारा कहा गया जिनके अब्बा 1947 में पाकिस्तान ले चुके हैं, उनके बाप का हिंदुस्तानी. Now, my lordship, I'll just, my lords, make a reference to this Supreme Court.
Yes, state whether this is in relation with religion.
No, lord. In fact, my lord, at para 6.9, I have explained the context as well. My lord, she had, my lord, made this statement in context. My lord, there was a case of Raja Mahmudabad case, whose, my lord, father had migrated to Pakistan, and his son, my lord, was still fighting a legal battle in Supreme Court to, my lord, get his ancestral property. So yes, it was in this context, my lord, this statement was made. And my lord, there is a judgment, my lord, recent judgment of Supreme Court, which says, my lords, only naming, even if we assume that it is towards one community, until and unless, my lords, two communities named, my lords, the offense, my lords, under, my lord, this section is not made out, my lords. I'm referring to para 11 of this judgment. Lord, shall I read?
इसमें आप किस चीज पे रिलाई कर रहे हैं?
Para 11, my lords, it says, my lords, there are 3 grounds on which I'm relying. First is there has to be a publication of the statement. Mere making a statement does not attract, my lord, this section. Yes. Second is that, my lord, only naming one community, even if we assume that it is towards one community, yes, even naming one community does not, my lord, attract this section. There has to be, my lord, name of 2 communities, and there has to be, my lord, active incitement, my lord, in both of the side. And third is, my lord, there is no progress in investigation. Just, my lord, I'll read, my lord, para 11 of this judgment.
Counsel appearing for petitioner makes a prayer that no coercive action be taken against petitioner till next date of hearing. It is submitted that as per section 505 subsection 2, offence under said provision will be made out when there is publication, circulation of any statement or report which is likely to create enmity on grounds of religion, place of birth.
My lord, I'll just read, my lord, this judgment of the Supreme Court.
Place of birth भी है,
My lord,
residence है, language है, caste है, community है, सभी कुछ है इसमें.
But the context is that, my lord,
only question is that it is only a oral statement.
Oral statement.
Makes भी लिखा हुआ है इसमें.
My lord, I'll just read this para 11, my lord.
Whoever makes any statement, publication is not necessary.
Lord, Supreme Court has said that the 3 words, my lord,
Supreme Court,
my lord, para 11, man, just reading.
Para 11.
My lord.
ये बस 2 communities वाला आपको एक point आ सकता है, बाकी तो कुछ नहीं.
My lord, I'll just read.
Yes.
In Bilal Ahmed Kalu versus State of AP, this court analyzed the ingredients of section 153A and 5052 of the IPC. It was held that the section 153A covers a case where a person by words, either spoken, written, or by signs or a visible representation, attempts to promote feeling of enmity, hatred, or ill will. Under section 5052, promotion of such feeling should have been done by making a publication or circulating any statement, report containing rumor or alarming rumor. Mens rea was,
इसमें makes भी तो लिखा हुआ है.
my lord, but the Supreme Court has said that all the three is what had to be read together. It has to make and then, my lord, publish and circulate. My lord,
Circulate और makes भी है.
my lord, I'll just read further, my lord.
Yes.
Allow me.
Common factor.
The common factor of both sections being promotion of feeling of enmity, hatred, ill will between the different religious group or racial, linguistic, or religious group or caste communities. It is necessary that
Counsel appearing for petitioner submitted that offence under section 505 subsection 2 will not be made out against petitioner as there was no publication of statement and further statement was not made on religious grounds. It is further submitted that statement must be mentioning two communities and which increases feeling of ill will or enmity between said two communities. On going through section 505 subsection 2, it is found that 5052 states that whoever makes any statement, makes any statement and further statement promotes ill will or enmity or hatred between different religion on grounds of religion, race, place of birth, residence, language, caste or community. Therefore, allegation only in respect, therefore it is not necessary that a statement is made only on basis of religion. Full stop. A third point raised by petitioner is having some weight. Full stop. Allegation statement said to have been made by petitioner is not in respect of two communities and promoting enmity between two communities. In view of same, it is ordered that no coercive action be taken against petitioner till next date of hearing.
Reprove.